Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a polymer clay memory bag Christmas ornament. And this is so easy. You can probably make this in less than half an hour. So let's get started. As you can see here are all the things we will be needing. And I just want to say about this ornament that this will be so great just to give to everyone where they can record their memories of that Christmas, and you can go back every year to your ornament and see what your memories are from the previous Christmas. So we're going to start. Let I can't talk today. Sorry. We're going to start with a big ball of black clay, and we are just going to roll it and shape it into a bag. And I guess I'm kind of off camera there, but see, it's kind of egg shaped, and we're going to hollow out the inside. And it's not as hard as you think. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm really making it nice and smooth there. I'm working on it. I should have edited that out, but here we go. And I just take the end of my needle tool and just stick it in there and just kind of swirl it around to make an opening. Just kind of swirl it around. And then just pinch it. Pinch it up. See the way I'm doing it? And of course, I already have my candy cane rope made. And you remember how to do that. You roll out a rope of white and a rope of red, put them together, and twist. See, we can squeeze it in. You want to make it look like a bag. Just super easy. Just kind of watch how I'm doing this, and I want to talk about this ornament. You don't have to print out a scroll like I have. You can just put a piece of paper in there and write the year on it. And what I would do is I would make the bag big enough where you could put maybe 5 scrolls in. So you do 5 years at a time in one bag. And I think it just would be so much fun to read all those every year. And everybody should have their own little ornament where they can put their thoughts in about Christmas or what they did during the year, almost like a little mini diary. Right here, I'm just rolling out the candy cane rope to make it a little bit longer. And as you're rolling it, you see how it kind of, your stripes get further apart? Just twist it again and they'll go back a little closer to each other. Trim off the long ends. There we go. Now this one I'm making a hole in because I'm going to be hanging this with a ribbon, which I think for this one, a ribbon looks nice. But if you want to put the paper clip in or whatever hanger you use or hook, just do that. But For this one, I do like the hole with the red ribbon in it. And of course, your leaves and your berries. And you don't have to texture it like that. You can leave them just plain if you want to. Now, if you're making these for family members, you can, after baking, paint their name on the back. Or on the bottom, wherever. So everyone has their own personal little memory ornament. And of course, to bake it, as I say here, follow the directions on your package of clay, because I'm sure you all use different clays. So, and this is the scroll. Oh, excuse me. That is the scroll that I made. And you don't have to make a scroll. I mean, you could print one out, use whatever program you have, but you don't have to do that. You can just cut a sheet of paper and do that. And then you just write on it. Now, as I said, I used a Sharpie to show you, but it did bleed through. You don't want to do that. Now, as you can see, I did make this in 2017, and we did have a birth and a death in the family. And you can write that down, or just write down what you thought of the year, whatever. Gosh, I made this 2 years ago. Amazing. So you can see that it did bleed through. So don't use a Sharpie or a magic marker or a felt. Don't use a felt tip pen. Use a regular pen. And I like to put, I like these colored paper clips. And you just put a paper clip on there, and that way it won't open up. And, you can fit a few in there if you do them pretty tight, or make the bag a little bigger, or just do one for that year. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this would be a fun ornament to make. So give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.